In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit grid view in Canva. If you've accidentally switched into grid view and everything looks like a wall of tiny page thumbnails, don't worry. This is a quick and simple fix. Grid view is a helpful way to see all the pages in your design at once. It's great for getting an overview, rearranging pages, or jumping around your project. But when you're ready to get back to editing a single page, you'll want to exit that grid. Here's exactly how to do it without any confusion. With your design open and grid view showing all those little previews, bring your attention to the bottom right corner of the Canva editor. Down there, you'll see a small grid view icon sitting right next to the full screen icon. Depending on your screen size and theme, the grid icon usually looks like a square made up of smaller squares. That's the toggle you're looking for. Simply click that grid view icon once. As soon as you click it, Canva will switch you out of grid view and take you back to the normal editing canvas, focused on the page you were working on. That's all you need to do. No extra steps, no special menus, just a single click. If you're having trouble spotting the icon, try moving your mouse so the on-screen controls reappear. Then look again at the lower right edge of the editor. If your window is very small or zoomed in, you may need to scroll slightly or resize the window so that the bottom controls are fully visible. Also note that the full screen icon is right beside it. The grid toggle is the one that looks like a cluster of small squares. When you want to return to grid view later, maybe to quickly scan your pages or check the order, click that same grid icon again. It works as a simple on and off toggle. Click to enter grid view, click again to exit. Once you know where it lives, swapping views becomes second nature. To recap in one smooth motion, look to the bottom right of your Canva editor, locate the grid view icon next to the full screen button, and click it to leave grid view. Click it again anytime you want that bird's eye overview back. It's that easy. That's the whole tutorial. Short, clear, and practical. Now you can switch in and out of grid view confidently and keep your design workflow moving.